Okay, so let's go back over here. So now we got the outside roughed out. So now we're going to do some OD finishing on the outside. Similar to how we did the roughing, we're going to have to split this up into two parts. We're going to do this main part with our forward-facing insert, the back part with the backward-facing insert. So let's go into turn finishing. Okay, we're going to be using our OD forward insert. So we're going to do this front side first. The insert is going to be facing in this direction. Okay. For our global parameters, we have it set to outer diameter. That's important. You can select the front facing or outer diameter. We're not doing the front facing yet. We're doing the outside diameter. And we're going to crank this tolerance up to another 1/10 of a thousandth. Our stock is 0. Okay. And what we're going to do here is we're going to pick 2 points. Okay. And we're going to select, we're going to go all the way on the front here, and we're going to finish all the way down to this point over here. Okay. And then for our finishing parameters, we're just going to do, we're not going to have any multiple passes. We're going to do 1 pass. So you'll see that it started here on the front face and it ran the whole length of the part and stopped here. Now, for some reason, I'm not really sure why it doesn't go all the way down and try to get that, but that's fine because we're going to be doing our back side. So let's go ahead and simulate that. So here is our finishing pass. It's taking that 50 thousandths of material away. Let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our, going to be going a little bit faster. So let's do another finishing. And for this finishing, we're going to be, just 1 second. For our global parameters, we're going to go ahead and pick 2 points again. We're going to pick a point here and a point here. And again, make sure your object snap is set to nearest, and it'll snap to that profile. Okay, so we got that. Let's increase this. Our stock is set to 0. Our advanced cut parameters, we're going to do some arc fitting. Finishing parameters, we're not going to do anything there. And for clearance, we're going to set that to automatic. And we're going to set that to skim. Okay. And actually, we're going on the outside, so we can probably set that to clearance plane. Okay, so here is the finishing. Looks like we didn't set our backward tool, OD backward. Okay, here we go. So if you're wondering the colors of the tool path, the yellow is the entry and the red is the departure. So the point that you pick first is going to be the entry, and the point you pick second is going to be the retract. And the different colors here is the approach, okay, and your entry, and your departure and your retract over here. You can set those colors in your CAM preferences. Let's go ahead and simulate that. Okay, so let's go back over here.